This tutorial is for Jolly Old St. Nicholas on the recorder. The notes that we'll need are B, A, G, E, and D. Play a B with me. Ready, go. Now an A, G, E, and D. I'm going to come a little closer so you can see my fingers better. So, from the beginning, it goes like this. So, B, 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 A, G, 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 B, E, 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 D, D, G, A, G, A, B, A, B, 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 A, G, 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 B, E, 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 D, D, G, A, G, A, B, G. Try it with me. If you find yourself getting a little lost when you're playing a song on an instrument, stop and practice singing it because it'll bring you back to what the melody is really supposed to be. So, jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now, you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. One more time with me.